welcome back to Eleutheran Beauty channel and EleutheranBeauty.com. My name is Candace, and here we specialize in natural hair care products as well as body care products. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about two of our oils and just sort of explain, because I do get a lot of questions about how to use them and which one is best for what. So I want to talk to you today about our Neem Oil Treatment and our hair growth oil. Okay, so the Neem Oil Treatment comes in a 2-ounce dropper bottle, and our hair growth oil comes in two sizes, the 4-ounce, which is this here, and also the 8-ounce size. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Neem Oil Treatment first. Okay, so this bad boy right here, this is good for so many things. This is pure organic neem oil, which is antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic, anti-everything. Okay, this stuff is good for cuts, burns, rashes, but the way that we market it to our clients is for treating thinning hair, so where you have thinning and balding, because the neem oil has been proven to help regrow hair in thinning and balding areas. I have personally used it myself about 1.5 years ago when I had my last daughter. I had this bald spot over on my right temple that just fell out when she was like about 3 months. So I experienced some terrible postpartum shedding. This part here, it just fell out. It was just a bald patch, and I could have counted the 2 or 3 little hairs that were there. And I was very self-conscious. I would have to wear my hair out or like do a little swoop, you do that swoop. Okay, and so, but I knew that the neem was excellent for that, and so I started using the neem. And the way I use it, and the way I recommend for my clients to use it, is to apply a few drops. You can use it in the morning or in the night, but I feel like it's really easy to use it at night and then just go to sleep. So you want to apply a few drops in the affected area. So you have your dropper right here, which makes it very convenient. So you go ahead, you're going to apply a few drops wherever you're experiencing the thinning. Just drop that in. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and just use your fingers and just pat that area, just to massage the area. Okay, you want to massage that area for like maybe 10-20 seconds, not long, and then go to bed. It's very, very simple, because the neem is absorbed into the scalp, and bingo bango, you're done. So you don't have to do anything else, but you definitely want to make sure that you are using it consistently. So I recommend to use it every single day or every single night, so that you can get because you want to get your results. Okay, so you don't want to be slunking around doing it this week, not doing it next week. You want to be consistent so that you are going to get results. Now, the hair growth oil. Okay, this is another little bad boy right here. This is a blend that we make from scratch. I have all the heavy hitters in this. Okay, this blend is super packed with nutrients, vitamins that are going to feed your hair. Okay, omega fatty acids, all the things that you need for healthy, strong hair. We have stuff in here to help attract moisture to your hair, to help make your hair soft. I just used this on my hair day before yesterday when I was doing these jumbo twists, and I'm going to talk more about that in another video, about the products that I used for this. Okay, but the way I like to use this for this style is after I twisted my hair. Well, I added some to my hair when I was twisting, but I went ahead and applied this to the ends of each of my twists before applying the beads and the rubber bands to seal my ends. Okay, which is so important. So this blend right here, we got all the goodies in here, and this is going to help to make your hair healthy, strong, shiny, soft. It's going to help to keep your hair moisturized, attract moisture to your hair, and this is for, I like to say, this is for overall maintenance of your hair. Okay, and like I said, you want to use this, definitely applying it to your ends, and so the way I like to use it is on wash day. I put it on my hair, and then every few days in between washes, I'm gonna add this back into my hair, particularly making sure that I'm adding it to my ends to keep them from getting dry and brittle and splitting and breaking, so that I'm able to retain length. Because even though your hair is always growing, sometimes it can feel like you sort of reach a plateau and then you can't get any further, and it's because you're losing hair at the ends where your hair is the oldest, where it's gonna split and break, and so you're not retaining length. So I love using this on my ends, on my children's hair, to seal those ends. That's so important, as well as applying it from root to tip, because it helps to make the hair soft and shiny, and it's just bomb.com. Okay, healthy, strong. We're about healthy hair over here. Okay, so yes, this hair growth oil blend is awesome for maintenance of your hair. And so this one you're going to use on the actual strands of your hair, and you would use it not every day, but every few days as your hair needs it. Okay, and definitely making sure to hit those ends. Whereas the neem oil, whenever you're treating whichever area of your head that you're treating for the thinning or balding areas, you want to use this every single day. So this one is every few days in between, because you don't want your hair to be greasy and weighed down. So every couple of days as you need it. And the neem oil treatment, this one you're going to use every single day while you're treating the affected area, and this one is for the scalp. This one goes all over the hair. Okay, all right guys, I hope that was informational. I hope it was inspirational. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any other questions, please, you can go over to our website, eleutheranbeauty.com. You can get in contact with us through the website. There's a contact form. You can also go ahead and email us at eleutheranbeauty@gmail.com. You can also get us on WhatsApp, and follow us on Instagram, and follow us on our Facebook page, because that's where I post like upcoming events, products, information, videos, all that good stuff. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and like I said, if you have any questions, just reach out, and we are happy to get you sorted out with all of your natural hair care. Okay, all right guys, love you, and I'll talk to you soon.